This lazy man who spent his life playing games until he was 34 appeared before the wrong judge.
Life will go by.
Right out of the gate, the judge isn't just talking about this case, he's talking about life choices. This is a warning disguised as a lecture, and trust me, judges usually don't go this hard unless they see a pattern.
Like this. And if you have no income, if you have no education, you're going to be 65, 7-year-old, not without a dime to your pocket, begging to get money just for McDonald's.
This is a key legal moment. When the judge asks about a lawyer, he's deciding whether this man truly qualifies for a court-appointed attorney, and that depends heavily on effort, not excuses.
Have this aura of arrogance, of like, this unfounded sense of entitlement when you've never had a full-time job. Good morning, Mr. Basie. Do you have a lawyer today? What are you doing about that? What are you doing about that?
Like the first time I came, I tried to get your attention, but you was already talking to somebody to let you know that I ain't got that type of money for a lawyer.
Notice how the judge drills down on numbers. Courts care about specifics. Saying a few lawyers doesn't show effort, it shows avoidance. And judges have zero patience for that.
Did you talk to any lawyers?
I tried, but they all like five. I ain't got that type of money.
How many lawyers did you talk to?
I called a few of them.
A few. A few is two. Several is three. Couples two. Several is three. How many did you talk to?
34 years old and never held a full-time job. This is where the courtroom energy shifts. The judge is no longer curious, he's frustrated. And that frustration can absolutely impact bond conditions.
What do you do for a living?
I was working.
So what are you doing now? Are you working now? Why not? When is the last time you've had a full-time job? You've never had a full-time job?
Here's the big question, and I want you to answer this in the comments. Is it fair for taxpayers to fund a defense when someone refuses to work? This is where law meets public accountability.
The job I had paid on the table.
You were doing what?
I had paid under the table.
This is actually a smart legal move by the judge. Making employment a bond condition isn't punishment, it's leverage. Fail to comply, and freedom is gone. Simple as that.
How old are you?
34.
You're 34 and you've never had a full-time job?
Lazy. He's 34 years old, but hasn't worked a decent job yet. Also, is this guy under the influence of something?
Did you graduate from high school? So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life, Mr. Basie? And why do the people of Harris County get to pay for a lawyer for you when you do nothing all day? How is that fair? Why do I have to pay for your lawyer? Are you high right now? So tell me, how is it fair that you get to sit at home, play Xbox all day, and everybody here gets to pay for your lawyer? Why is that fair? So what do you do all day, every day? Mr. Basie, I'm making it a condition of your bond that you get a full-time job. And I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks, and I want to see what you have done to get a job. If you've done nothing, it's not going to go well. But I don't understand why the people of Harris County get to pay for a lawyer for you when you do nothing all day. It's not cool. And let me tell you something else, Mr. Basie. Life will go by like this. And if you have no income, if you have no education, you're going to be 65, 7-year-old, not without a dime to your pocket, begging to get money just for McDonald's. just to get Burger King. You have this aura of arrogance, of like, yeah, this unfounded sense of entitlement when you've never had a full-time job.
The words the judge said don't even affect the man. I'm sure he'll continue playing XBOX after he leaves here. I'm sending you now for a drug test.
I want to know what, if anything, is in your system. I'm going to send you down. You're to come right back. If you fail to take the drug test, or if you don't fail to come back, I'm going to revoke your bond and I'm going to make you the high. Do you understand? Not only that, but I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks and I want to see what you've done to get a job. Take a seat for me.